Hi guys, this is Katja with Creators Image Studio. This week I'm sharing a wallet card with you that I have designed to send to my friend for Easter. So it's still an Easter card, but that is not the point. The point is, if you have only 2 sheets of design paper from a particular collection, like I did, what can you do with it and use up the paper in one project? So this is one of those, again, I love to do these because I often buy only 1, 2 or 3 sheets of a particular collection and I like to keep them together in one project. And that kind of challenge helps me to design new things. Now, the papers that I used, you see them behind me. It is by Prima Marketing and the collection is called Shabby Chic. Now this is a very old collection, well, at least in crafters terms, because it is a 2012 collection. Again, that is not the point. The point is choose 2 papers that you like, in the colors that you like, with the theme that you like. I did Easter or spring. You can do anything that you can think of. And yeah, so I will show you the wallet card that I designed. Alright, and here is the card. I always like to showcase the paper, so I only did a little stamp here and a floral piece here. I stickled part of the paper's image and that's it, so the rest is all the paper. I added a ribbon closure with, of course, magnets, and this is the back. This is a little scrap mat, so I used some of the pieces that I have had left over. So let's open it up. Now we start here on the inside front flap, as it were, with a dimensional butterfly. So I punched this with a butterfly punch and then I ran it through the embossing machine that I have. So then I waxed it, and let me try and show you the effect. So this is a Prima Marketing wax and it is sort of a duochrome. So it looks sort of bronzy, but also there is a purple hue which comes when you move it and the light plays on it. You see the purple hue here. I really love it. And of course I did some stamping on the back just because. And then here's a cute little stamp: have an excellent Easter. Opening the second flap. Now this is just a lovely image. I didn't do anything to that because I love this image, especially when you open it up further, because then this image continues on the middle panel here. And I did a faux pocket. So it's not really a pocket, everything is glued down. This is glued down so you can take it out, but it looks like a pocket. So I actually stuck it in there. And then glued everything down, added a stamp, a loving message just to say may joy be yours on Easter Day, and then a little bow to finish the whole piece. So this is an idea for you. Just use 2 pieces of paper, and instead of doing an actual pocket, you can make a suggestion of a pocket. And here is the right half of the card. This is where I will write my personal message. It will be a short one, and sometimes we do that. We just want to say hello, or I'm thinking of you, something of that sort, and then you can just go all out on making beautiful things for your friends. And you only need a small journaling spot and not write an entire letter. Just an idea for you. So opening this up on this flap here, I did a little Easter layout and did a lot of die cutting here. So this is a die set, an Easter die set by Marianne Design. You get this one, you get this one, and then you get, let's call it a breech die, or I don't know how to call it, but it's just a little pointy thing, and you die cut this and you place that second die somewhere over it, and then it will die cut it like this. So to suggest the breaking of an egg, and I did the other piece here. So I added some glitter glue here onto the edges, and it's hopefully like it dropped down. I stamped some stuff onto it, so wishing you a happy day, and spring is nature's way of saying let's party. And I only use those 2 design paper sheets that I showed you, but you can of course use other papers if you want to. But I thought it a nice challenge to only use those papers. So even this is a part of the design paper, and the bronzy color is all the wax. And yeah, so here is an actual pocket. And I also did some fussy cutting here because I didn't want to cut off the butterfly's wing. So I cut it to here, then fussy cut here, and then did an actual cut with the paper trimmer for the rest of it. So that is an idea for you. So you don't have to cut everything off, just have it stick out over the pocket. I really like that effect. Now, what will go into that pocket, you may ask, and well, if you are new to this channel, then please know that I like to send tea, fresh tea, to my friends. So I like to think of ways to send them these little bags of tea. I usually buy fresh tea from some tea shop and then buy my own bags. So I bought these tea bags on AliExpress, and then I fill it up with the fresh tea that I bought and send them a nice cup of tea through the mail, and then design a card or something around it. So let's see if this actually fits. It's always a tight fit, but it's a one-time use only. Let's press it down a bit, hopefully to flatten it a bit, because it has to fit through the mailbox. But I hope the magnets will still close, but you can always use a weight, paper weight, a couple of hours on top of it, and then the magnets will stay put. But for now, you just close it up like this, and I did a little gusset here, and then close it. Now I think the magnets won't hold. Nope. So I will actually put some weight on top of this, and then after a couple of hours, these will stay put. So you can actually train your magnets. So let's fold it open for now. There you have it. Okay guys, so let me know in the comment section if you have any questions and what you thought about this project. Also, I am very curious as to how you deal with your stash of perhaps many papers like I have, and how you maybe purchase differently like I am doing right now. So I'm not buying complete collections anymore. Well, that's not true. I do buy them, but not very often. I often mix in a lot of the separate sheets. And is that something that you would consider for yourself? So let me know. I would love that conversation. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Press the like if you like this video, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.